In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can find our channel on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Knockout Crypto on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Today's video, subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button at the bottom right hand corner. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below. Really appreciate you guys subscribing and liking the videos. That helps get us up in YouTube's ratings. But you can also go to knockoutcrypto.com to follow our Patreon, and there we have insider information and the next big crypto report. Knockoutcrypto.com, insider information and the next big crypto report. So Tezos is an open source platform for assets and applications backed by a global community of validators, researchers, and builders. I wanted to bring this to you guys because Tezos has been making some moves in the last 3 months, or even the last 2 months, but it definitely has seen a price increase. So Tezos provides secure institutional grade smart contracts, and not more than that. Tezos has really been moving forward in a very positive manner. So I want to go over the price real quickly with you guys. So right now, Tezos is $1.58. It's ranked 11th on CoinMarketCap. The market cap is $1 billion. The volume is $69 million. Circulating supply is $660 million. So Tezos has made a lot of progress. I want to show you guys for the past 3 months. As you can see, the price was almost down to 76 cents on October 24th. And here we are about a month and a half later on December 9th, and Tezos is up to $1.65. So from 76 cents, so it's up almost 100% in the past month and a half. So Tezos has been up almost 100% in the past month and a half, and that's because people are accumulating Tezos and they are staking Tezos. And I want to show you guys why that is. So one thing that Tezos has going on in the next few days is Tezos Smart Contracts API for Tezos, T-Stats. That is this API release is scheduled to go live on December 12th, 2019. Please update and test your integrations against this website. So that's one thing Tezos has going on is the smart contract language update and the API update. Tezos also has, they're going to be speaking at the FinTech Connect in London. They're doing that as well. And I want to show you guys something else about Tezos. Tezos has done some accomplishments lately. So in October, Tezos Fundament Group, an end-to-end security issuance solution for asset tokenization, formed a strategic partnership with Tezos Foundation to develop digital securities infrastructures. So eventually, Tezos will probably be a digital security. Also, Tezos Ukraine launched in Eastern Europe. They launched Tezos EPT on Switzerland's primary stock exchange, and the French armed forces started using Tezos blockchain to validate its judicial expenses. So Tezos has already move forward in a positive manner, and I just want to let you guys know that this team is very professional and they're very good at what they're doing. So Tezos is one to watch, especially something that's up 100% in the past 3 months. You really have to watch this coin. People are staking it, and people are staking it and they're holding it, and they're holding it for a long time because they really believe that this might be something big. What you should know about Tezos too, Tezos is on Coinbase Pro, it's on Binance. So it's already been validated as official. You see there's over 55 exchanges you can get Tezos on, so that gives you adequate liquidity. Although most of the liquidity is on MXC, OKX, Binance, and Coinbase Pro has most of the liquidity. But there is a lot of liquidity for Tezos. So, developed by ex-Morgan Stanley analyst Arthur Britman, Tezos is a multi-purpose platform that supports dApps and smart contracts. It aims to combine a self-correcting protocol and on-chain governance to manage network modifications. Tezos is powered by ZTX, which is created through baking. Bakers put up deposits and are rewarded for signing and publishing blocks. Witnesses then validate the blocks. Dishonest bakers lose their XZT deposits. Tezos uses delegated proof of stake and supports tuning complete smart contracts. Tezos is implemented in the OCaml programming language, which is set to offer functional, imperative, and object-oriented styles. Tezos' return on investment is 236%. Its market rank is number 11. All-time high for Tezos was $10, December 17th, 2017. All-time low was 31 cents, December 7th, 2018. So Tezos has room to grow. I mean, $10 as an all-time high is very impressive. I think, will we get back to $10? I don't know. That was during the height of the boom. But it has been steady moving up as a project. And it's steady making gains. I think people are holding for the long term. It's one of the altcoins I would suggest that you guys hold on to and watch, because I think Tezos has a lot of potential just because of the team. I think the team behind Tezos is very professional. And I think that's part of the reason why you would want to, stay with Tezos, just because the team is so professional. And that's just something I would definitely, keep my eyes on, because Tezos is just very professional. So, guys, that's what's going on. Tezos is up 100%. I just want to let you guys know that in the past month, to keep an eye out on Tezos. It's on Coinbase Pro as well. So keep an eye out on this project. Guys, thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below. Don't forget to go to knockoutcrypto.com to get the next big crypto report and all of the insider information I can't reveal on YouTube, but I can reveal it on my Patreon at knockoutcrypto.com. Inside information on Tezos and other projects that have the potential to grow exponentially. Okay, guys, thank you for following the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams, and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.